Courtney! So who that a knock on the door?
So why you have to come knock on this door? Look how much other house dey on this road. Brother, me can't help you. Sorry.
Who was it at the door?
A man asked me to come give him a push.
So why you never go help him?
You know see rain a fall, Winsome?
You're going to make a little rain stop you from helping your fellow man? We must always try to do a good deed, no matter the circumstance. What kind of example you setting for Billy? You remember the night when you brought down on the dark country road? And a complete stranger stop and give you a push start. Always remember, so one good turn deserves another.
Well, the man gone already, cause me tell him say me can't help him.
Courtney, you're knocking on the door again.
Is the same brother come back, asking for a push again?
One help him. Blessings will follow you. Boy, Courtney, you're soaking wet. Never mind my husband. He's all for a good cause. So I guess I give him the push start and him gone now.
Which push start? The one madman sit down in the swing song, run at the yard back. The man have me a push him the whole time in the rain.